Today's featured car of the day is a 1966 Chevrolet Impala Supersport convertible. And I'll read from the seller's comments at the auction. And the seller stated 427 SS convertible Impala, turbo 400 automatic transmission, bucket seats with console and gauges, tilt wheel, factory air conditioning, red line tires on rally wheels. And unfortunately, didn't mention the miles, and I forgot where I wrote it down. I couldn't find it. But anyway, it's sold at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California for $36,000. And it was a nice car and pretty rare one, too. They didn't make too many of the 427 Super Sport convertibles. But this one was definitely a nice one, and it looked good with the red with a white top and white interior. Definitely an eye catcher, that's for sure. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1966 Chevrolet Impala Supersport convertible with a 427 engine, a turbo 400 transmission, bucket seats with a console and gauges, tilt wheel, factory air conditioning, and redline tires on rally wheels. And it sold for $36,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.